Pastor George and Mensah, and you know me popularly as Spratz. This is a very beautiful one on pentatonics. How to apply the pentatonic scale, the 5 shapes of the pentatonic scale in real life situation. Assuming you have a song like, I usually would want to use a very simple song. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Alright, so if you have a song like that and you would want to apply the pentatonic scale on it, how do you do it? What is the pentatonic scale? A 5-note scale is a pentatonic scale. The major scale is the most fundamental of every music theory. The most fundamental of every music theory is the major scale. And it's a 7-note scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Then back to a do, making it 8. Right? So if I decide to take 2 notes, the fa and then the ti, out of the major scale, then I'm getting the pentatonic scale, which now becomes do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, re, do. That's the most common pentatonic scale. We have a major pentatonic and a minor pentatonic. Alright, and I'm dealing with major pentatonic for now. And there are 5 shapes of the pentatonic scale every beginner needs to learn. So for a C major pentatonic, or which could have also been called A minor pentatonic, I would like to start from do, la, sol, re, do, la, sol, re, do. Slowly it will be la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Alright, if you aren't able to figure out, if you are not able to figure out the notes on my finger here, don't worry. I'm displaying the notes on the neck diagram beside me, so don't worry. You can look on that, follow that keenly, and you will play it. The most common pentatonic shape is this: do, la, sol, re, do, la, sol, re, do. The fingers, the easiest is 4-1, 4-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 4-1. Or you can decide to go with the whichever one you are comfortable. 1-3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1. Alright, and that's the first one. And now from there, that is in this shape, in the G shape of a C. And if you come to the E shape, you can refer to the K system. The E shape, then you have another one. Re, starting from a re. Re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. That's another shape, the second shape. Re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. And the third shape is this. Mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re. Mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re. That's the third shape. The fourth shape. So, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi. So, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi. Then the last one, the final one, the fifth one. La, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol. So, all together will be this. Then, these are the 5 pentatonic shapes you have to know in the key of C. Alright. Now, how do you apply them in a simple song like Hallelujah? Once I'm on 1, the chords are so simple. This is 1, C. But this is the way I want you to play the C. I make it a power chord. I I don't bring the mi here. Instead of, I play re instead of mi, so only 2. So hallelujah. 1, and I go to 4. Hallelujah. On 4, this is how I hold it. This is a chord. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Is that not simple? Yes. So first learn the chords and later on the solo that I'm going to teach you. If you have 1, hallelujah, you can decide to play the pentatonic shapes just as they are, and that would be nice. Hallelujah, for instance, the first one. You say do la so mi re do, do la so mi re do. You can just play with them, and that would be nice. Hallelujah. Even if I still go to chord 4, I can still play it. The second shape. But I have to target chordal notes because I have this on the note. So re do la so fa. End of the fa, because fa is in the next chord and it's a chordal tone. But this is so simple. This is one idea. So hallelujah, 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 la re do la so fa, re do la so fa, so la, because fa is in that chord. Hallelujah, mi re do la, mi re do la so mi re do la so mi re on a so. Hallelujah. That is when you decide to use it raw. But if you decide to run it, move it, combine them, then I'm going to teach you a specific shape you need to learn on 1, 4, and 5. So when I'm on 1, hallelujah, then you have to keep this method. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see this shape? Do, re, mi, so, la. Do, re, mi, so, la. The same thing can be found when I start from the root on the 6th. Do, re, mi, so, la. Which I prefer. So let's now divert our attention here. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count and you start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same thing. Then you start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simple a shape, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And starting from the 6th string. So hallelujah. Where you would have to end depends on whether the chord is changing to another chord or not. So hallelujah. I would want to end here. If I decide to start from the 5th, hallelujah. The shape is different because it's starting from the 5th and there will be only 4 more strings below. So you have to memorize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3. You get it? Or you can decide to start from the 6th string and then run it. So la do, which is also part of the note. So la do re mi, so la do re mi, so la do re mi, so la do re mi. This is so interesting. So hallelujah. So la do re mi, so la do re mi. Following this. Or you can start from the root. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh. Hallelujah. The same thing applies. I only have to locate my root. That's all. I'm Pastor George Mensah. You know me popularly as Spratz. I do teach on Zoom. I give one-on-one lesson to students, beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So if you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson online, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, this is the best time to do it. Comment, share our page to others.